Okay, this is a refresher on solving quadratic equations. Now, here's the deal. I'm under the assumption in this video that you know how to factor. And if you are uncertain how to factor, then please go back and look at my videos on refreshing your brain on how to factor. My goal is to make certain that you know how to solve these quadratic equations once you know how to factor. Some of the examples that will be coming up are examples of quadratics that are not in perfect format. You know, like, what do I do with them when they're not in perfect format? How do I get them in the right format? Well, that's what this whole refresher is going to be about. Now, one of the things to remember is when you have a second degree equation, in order to solve it correctly, you need to make certain it's equal to 0. Because let's see if you can fill in this statement. If A times B equals 0, then one of them's got to be 0. Then A is equal to 0 or B is equal to 0. And that's the whole premise behind solving these quadratics once you know how to factor them. Okay? All right. So this one factors, and it's quite nice to factor. We end up with x minus 4 times the quantity of x plus 1, and that equals 0. So if A times B, well, the first parenthesis would be A, the second parenthesis would be B. There's multiplication in between them. So according to this statement, then either the first parenthesis is equal to 0 or the second parenthesis is equal to 0. Which gives us two nice linear equations to solve, and we get x equals 4 and x equals negative 1. Good? The whole premise on solving these quadratics, once you know how to factor, is remembering this. If two numbers, two quantities are multiplied together and they equal 0, then one of those quantities must be 0. And in this case, we have two answers. And remember, the degree of the polynomial tells me how many solutions I better come up with. Cool? Okay, so catch these examples following. See if you know how to get them in the right format, if they're not in the right format, and then finish solving them from there. Catch you on the flip side.